Some of you might know Rick Peel, tool expert from our videos in his column on toollogics.com, Ask Rick.
Yo!
What you might not know is that he is actually a trained stunt driver. Today he's going to help us test out the load latch. Enjoy watching us try to drop these wooden sheets, and do not try this at home. Test 1. The Launch.
Nothing, huh? Look at that.
Test 2. Slam the brakes. Rick decided to see if the load latch was reliable enough to keep the panels from barreling towards his film producer. Yeah. Thanks, Rick. Test 4. The corner.
Having fun back there, Jude? There you go. So what did you think? How is it working there? Any rattling in the back or anything?
No rattling, and I can't dump this load.
We also tried the Y strap and the gap strap. Load Latch recommends these restraints only under normal driving conditions, and even under our tough trials they worked out very well. Tune in for the next segment where we give our reviews. Be sure to check out www.toollogics.com and www.loadlatch.com. Until next time.